Hello, Eric the Car Guy. I thought I would take my time to show you what's in my toolbox. Right here is a 6-drawer with a top chest, whatever, toolbox. And show you what I got in here. Ratchets, 1/2 inch, 3/8, various sockets, colored ones. Breaker bar. You need one, definitely. 1/4 inch servicing belt tool. Definitely need this. Adapters. You never know when you need those. Various extensions, spark plug sockets, 2 sensor sockets. Sockets. Alright, next drawer. Got external torques. Internal torque sockets. Allen head sockets. A couple more. Yeah. This is for taking off rounded off bolts. My tire pressure gauge. I have a couple of spark plug feeler gauges. These nice snap-on ones. Mirror, magnets. Ooh, doesn't want to come off. I love these. Craftsman wrenches. These were actually my dad's. He was a mechanic back then as well. He passed them on to me. Ratcheting wrenches. I love these. These help get down in the tight spaces. Flare wrenches. Used to break open lines and stuff. What else we got? Just impact sockets. Axle nut sockets. I got a 30, 34, 32, and various impact sockets. This is what I call the diagnostic drawer. I have my scan tool, my voltmeter, another voltmeter, Noid lights, which you use to put in your fuel injectors. Vacuum gauge, assorted vacuum hoses, compression tester. I love this tool. Let's see what else. Just test leads, battery post cleaner. Oh, my test light. It's a cheap one, but I like it. Safety glasses. I always use those. Just pliers, screwdrivers, pry bars, my impact screwdriver. I love these hose pliers. Amazing. Vice grips. Here's an idea I took from you. Vice grip pliers. I did this when I was doing a brake job on one of my cars, and it worked excellent. Thanks, Eric the Car Guy. Vice grips are all a very helpful tool. Very helpful. Alright, let's see what we got in this last. Just my 1/2 inch impact, tie grinder, 3/8, air ratchets, my timing lights, air grinder attachments, brake pad spreader for single piston calipers, my dial caliper is in here. don't really use this, so yeah. Oil filter wrenches. Yeah, let's see. Brake caliper tool set for using on brake calipers that need to be screwed in, recalibrated, I should say. Yes, definitely need that. Spring compressors, a leak down tester. It works good for me. Harmonic balancer, puller kit, steering wheel puller kit, whatever. That's it for the toolbox. Jack stands, my air compressor. Believe it or not, that's pretty good for a 20-gallon air compressor. Long air hose, creeper, my light. Various fluids and chemicals right here. Old school boombox. Believe it or not, that still works, and it's clear as a whistle. My parts depot right there. Have a lot of Honda Civic parts, manuals, all for my cars here at home. Except the Civic. I don't have a Civic anymore. Anything else? The beating box, all my hammers and all that good stuff. Sorted Honda Bond. This is really expensive. RTV, sealants, clamps. My gloves are right there, and that's pretty much it for my toolbox. Oh, my garage. There's my CRV. There's my van. And that's all I got for you. Thank you for taking the time to see what I got.